Washing machine won't turn on at all? No lights, no response? Before you call for repair, check these things. One of them might save you a service call. Check 1, is it plugged in? I know it sounds obvious, but washers vibrate. The plug can work itself loose from the outlet. Push it in firmly. Check 2, the circuit breaker. Go to your electrical panel. Find the breaker labeled laundry or washer. Flip it fully off, wait 10 seconds, flip it back on. Breakers can trip from power surges or moisture. Check 3, the lid or door. Top-load washers won't start if the lid switch doesn't register as closed. Push the lid down firmly. Front loaders need the door fully latched until you hear the click and the lock light comes on. Check 4, child lock. Many Samsung, LG, and Whirlpool models have a child lock that disables all buttons. Look for a small lock icon on the display. The unlock combo is usually holding 2 specific buttons for 3 to 5 seconds. Check your manual or Google your model number plus child lock. Check 5, water supply. Some washers won't start if they detect no water supply. Make sure both hot and cold valves behind the washer are fully open. If none of those work, the most common repair causes are a bad lid switch or door lock, 80 to 175, or the main control board, 200 to 400. Same-day washer repair. All brands. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.